Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Learner's Wisdom. I'm Dr. Pooja and we were discussing electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation. In the previous lecture we discussed about the ATP count in the aerobic respiration of glucose, and you must have read in different books like glycolysis it yields 32 ATP or 30 ATP, and we see there is a difference of 2 ATPs. So that is actually on the basis of the shuttle system. So what happens actually during glycolysis, it is the process which takes place in the cytoplasm. So when NADH are being produced, then they need to be transported to the mitochondria for the oxidation process. And this transfer is being facilitated by the shuttle systems. So it can be, there are two shuttle systems in this that we'll discuss. So this is what I was talking about, like glycolysis, it happens in the cytoplasm, and for the citric acid the NADH produced during the citric acid cycle, they occur in the mitochondrial matrix itself. So these NADH need not to be transferred. So that is why there is a difference of 2 NADH. So let's understand how it is different. Like during this glycerophosphate shuttle, like glycolysis, which is producing NADH, we see that it is, when transferred to the glycerophosphate shuttle, then it is equivalent to FADH molecule. So that is why these two NADH that are produced during the glycolysis, it is equivalent to 2 FADH molecules inside the mitochondrial matrix. So that is why the ATP generated is 2 into 1.5 ATP, that is equivalent to 3 ATPs. And when malate aspartate shuttle is involved, then the NADH molecule is equivalent to the NADH molecule inside the matrix of the mitochondria also. So that is why the 5 ATPs that we were counting, that is 2 into 2.5, that is 5 ATP, is equivalent to the 5 ATPs only. So that is why when NADH is equivalent to the 3 to equivalent to FADH, then it is equivalent to 3 ATPs, and when it is equivalent to NADH itself, then the ATP count is not changed. Here also we see in this, during glycolysis 4 ATP plus 2 NADH, and malate aspartate shuttle, it will be yielding 9 ATPs overall. And if the NADH is transported via glycerophosphate shuttle, then it is equivalent to 2 FADH2, which is overall equivalent to 7 ATPs generated in the first, in the glycolysis step. So hence overall there is a difference of 2 ATPs. So here also I have written overall 10 NADH, so it can be 25 ATP or 23 ATPs. And overall, by making all the calculations, we understood there is a difference of 2 ATPs on the basis of the shuttle system that is used for the transfer of NADH molecule from the cytoplasm of the cell to the matrix of the mitochondria. So that is all for today. Thank you very much. We'll meet again